Hello again, everyone. Well, I was all set to do another Christmas card. I was going to use the word joy again and use the O as the frame for a little scene. And I've got some Christmas tree and a deer. But then I had a text message. So I opened my message and there was this picture. This is a picture of my granddaughter Daisy, and she's just passed her driving test. Bless her. She's one of the youngest in her year. A lot of her friends at school have been driving, for quite a while, but she's one of the young ones, and she's been very busy with her studies, and so the driving had to take a bit of a back seat. But today she's passed it in her little car, so I have to make her a congratulations card. So the joy can be put on one side for a little while because I have started to make a congratulations card. I didn't have all the appropriate words. So what I did, I went to my silhouette portrait. I can't get my words out this morning. And just wrote, "You did it." And then I did an offset for it, pushing them a bit closer together so that the offset would join together, which would make sticking down, rather more easy. So each backdrop is just one piece. So I can pop that on and that will be that. The lining up will be sorted for me. In this country, when you're learning to drive, you have to have one of these on the front and one on the back of the vehicle that you are driving. You also have to have a qualified driver accompanying you, and that cannot be a newly qualified driver either. It has to be someone with some experience. So now that she has passed her test, her L plates will be superfluous, so she could cut them up. Actually, they may well keep them in the house until her brother starts to learn to drive, but we don't know about that just yet. Let me just stick this L down. I didn't have a letter L that was of quite the right proportions. This was the nearest one, but it was a bit taller, and I've chopped a bit off so that because it goes onto a square background. So let's just stick this down. There's our L. We'll pop this on. We'll probably cut it apart in a moment or two. So there's her L. And she opted to learn on a stick shift car. I know cars of the future won't have gear sticks because mine is a hybrid. No gear stick for that. My husband's is a fully electric, no gear stick on that, and many regular cars are automatic. So but she wanted to learn on a stick shift, so that's absolutely great. Let's just pop these onto there. We'll put some glue on these. I'm going to use this glue, just dots of it. Her test was really early this morning. I'd had the text message and I was hardly up. She must have had a really early time. Yesterday, we all met in Chichester. My daughter and family drove over from Bath, about a 3-hour drive. My son drove from Worthing to Chichester. We drove to Chichester, and we all had lunch together to celebrate kind of a whole bunch of birthdays, really. My son wanted us to have a sort of a family do to celebrate his 50th, which was in July. My birthday was the day before his. Cleo's birthday was about a week after his. So it was all, very jolly, I have to say. We had a lovely meal, and Daisy was given some good luck off to university. She had a whole set of lovely fluffy towels to take with her. She's going to Edinburgh. She's got a place in Hall, or I don't know, it's an old university, I'm not quite sure. It's not really a hall of residence, I don't think, but it's going to be catered, so that's going to make it a lot easier for her. She'll get breakfast and evening meal provided, so it's going to be lovely. Let's just give this a quick wipe with a bit. Oh, what's happened? It's turned over. I just pulled it off. Just with a baby wipe, just get the glue off the top. There you go. And the last one. You did it. I think you can get big die cuts of these words, actually, but I haven't got one, so hence the reason for doing it on my silhouette. It's very useful to have a die cutting machine, although I don't like the edges, you know, as well as die cuts. I always go over them with an embossing tool just to sort of round them off a little bit. This needs a little bit of a wipe as well. If it doesn't come off with a wipe, you can always use just a touch of essential oil and that will get it off. Okay, you did it. Makes it much more vital if you do an offset, doesn't it? Don't you agree? And what I thought I would do as well, I've got a little car here. This is an Alexandra Renke, and I've started chopping up, you know, some things to see what layers I want. So this, I think I'll just cut it through the middle. Like that. You did it. And then we'll have the little car just kind of there. I probably should have done the jaggy cut, shouldn't I, really? I used to have, tell you what I have got. I might do that again. I'll do another one of those because that looks a little bit too regimented. What I have got, I used to have, you know, scissors with little, you know, decal edges and all this kind of stuff. But I've got this thing. Now this is, that's got a decal edge in there as is, so that's good. So let me just cut another square and another L, and we'll do that again because I'm not too keen on that. Here's the L. You can see it's very tall. It needs to be shorter to be in with the style of this particular L plate, but it's absolutely plain. So we'll cut the top bit off. Just nibble the corners as it's slightly rounded. And I'll go over the edge with my embossing tool and we stick this on. There we go. These have to be a certain size, all regulation, all this kind of stuff. So what I was showing you was a trimmer that I've had for a very long time. I don't know if they make these still. What's it called? Finger guard, something or others. But you can get different cassettes that fit in here. Like this. Oh, Woodware. It's by Woodware. And the design of the cut varies because these are kind of rotary cutters. There we go. So we'll pop it into here. I'll just practice on a bit of card first of all. Pop pop this in and we run it back and forth. And you see it cuts that deckled edge. It's the sort of thing that I had with my scissors years ago. Okay, make sure that's stuck down. And we can, let's do it there. Now it looks like it's ripped in half. Okay, so there's the elk. I prefer that now. Right, let's have a go at this car. So I cut 3, and on one of them, which one is it? This one, I put a little piece of tape on the back because I want to hold those hearts in. They will pop out. I'm going to pop them out of, which one shall we do next? I'll cut the steering wheel off this one. I think so. The steering wheel looks as though it's a long way back. Okay, steering wheel's gone. That can go onto there. Like, let me pop these ones out, these hearts, and the ones on the back layer can show. Okay, so that's for the second layer, like that. And I thought, oh, that's for the second layer, because I've cut the back wheel off as well. So I'm just wondering if we need just this bit. Let's have the back a bit further back. So I'll cut the back off. And this wheel off. Like that. So that looks like it's further back now. And now just 2 wheels on the top, and then I think we'll be fine. Okay. Or do I would have liked that one on the second one? Yeah, I think I would actually. I'm going to put one of these steering wheels back on. But we'll do that in a minute. And those are my 2 top wheels. Right. That needs popping out as well. So these are going to be on the very lowest level. So let's just colour those red. A couple of red hearts. That's fine. And I think we'll have, I don't know what colour to do the car, actually. Her car is silver. Perhaps we should have it silver. So there's various ways of doing that. I could colour it with a silver marker. Okay. I'll get a black, and I think we'll do these wheels black. That wheel black. And I think we'll have the upholstery. Should we do that like tan, as if it's tan? Or we'll have that black as well. Okay. Let's just do this. We'll have a nice leather seat, shall we? Just have a darker colour to do some shading. Okay. Right, let's start sticking. Let's do this one. Oh. Pop this one on next. Oh, I've missed a bit of that black. Right there. Better. Let's just put this steering wheel in. I shouldn't have cut this one off on this level, just on the top there. Let's put that into there. Okay. Now this one. I put the two wheels on the top. It's better. You did it. I've stuck it all down. It's there. Get this in the post to her straight away and wish her another chapter, isn't it, really? Driving. Gracious me. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you for giving a thumbs up and reading the comments, writing the comments. I particularly like it when I notice that, you know, people are reading what other people have written too, which is great. So thanks so much, and do come back and see me really, really soon.